Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So students, in our previous session, we were discussing the topic that is given at page number 32, that was homonyms. Okay, so the last topic we have discussed was homonyms from the unit number 5. Okay, again I'm with you all today to start with the next few topics from the same unit number 5. Okay, that is language, literature, legends and myths. Okay, so homonyms we have done. So the next topic given in unit number 5 is word ladder. That's a word game and it is given at page number 38. So all of you kindly open your books at page number 38. That is word ladder and it's a word game, and write down the today's date, that is 22nd of June 2021. Okay, so here I'm just writing the topic, that is word ladder. Okay, so this is the name of the word game and it is given at page number 38. Word ladder. Now what is word ladder? Word ladder है क्या? So देखिए, word means शब्द and ladder means सीढ़ी. Okay, so as you can see in the book as well, so this is a ladder that is showing here. Okay, and you need to with the words we need to move on this ladder. Okay, with the words. Okay, not with the steps. We need to move on this ladder so that we can reach from milk to belt, so that we can convert excuse me, we can convert the word milk to belt. So देखिए, milk and belt, they the initial and the last letters, the last words are already given on this ladder. The first is the milk and the last is the belt. So that means हमें milk से ladder तक जाना है, but कैसे जाना है, let's see. Use the clues to change the top word in the ladder into a new word by changing only alphabet each time. Okay, so we will move from milk to belt. So milk word को हमें belt बनाना है, but हमें जो इसके साथ में clues दिए हुए हैं. So by observing the clues that are given in this sentences, 15 sentences. Okay, so by observing these clues, we need to name the word. Okay, and just one thing that we need to do very carefully, that at every step we can change only one letter from the previous word. तो देखिए, ये हमारे पास क्लूज दिए हुए हैं, क्लूज में से हमें आंसर बनाना है, बट जो इम्पोर्टेंट चीज हमें ध्यान रखनी है कि हर एक लेटर, जब भी हम इसका आंसर लिखेंगे तो हर एक लेटर में सिर्फ हर एक वर्ड में वी कैन चेंज ओनली वन लेटर. हम एक ही अल्फाबेट चेंज कर सकते हैं. ओके, फ्रॉम द प्रीवियस वन. जैसे कि यहाँ पे मिल्क है, सो हेयर वी कैन चेंज एनी वन अल्फाबेट फ्रॉम द मिल्क. द रेस्ट थ्री विल बी सेम. Okay, so this is a word game. So in this ladder we can change only one alphabet in each word. Okay, and we have to answer by observing the clues that is given here. So let's begin with the first. The first is, okay, the first that is given, a healthy drink, that is already given here. A healthy drink, that is milk. M-I-L-K, milk. A healthy drink is milk. Okay, so I just write it down in capital words. So write all the words in capital alphabets. M-I-L-K, milk. A healthy drink is milk. Second one, the second clue is where flour is made. Where flour is made. Here the flour means आटा, जहाँ पे आटा बनता है. ओके, तो आटा कहाँ पीसा जाता है? सो जो आटा होता है उसको ग्राइंड किया जाता है इन द मिल. ओके, जो मिल होती हैं, जो फ्लावर मिल्स होती हैं. ओके, some people pronounce it as flour, but it's not flour, it's flour. Okay, so where flour is made, so flour is made in mill. तो आटे की चक्की पे आटा पीसा जाता है. So flour is made in mill. सो आंसर विल बी मिल. तो देखिए मिल लिखेंगे MILL, मिल, MILL, मिल. देखिए के को चेंज करके हमने क्या लगा दिया, L, दैट बिकेम मिल, और आंसर भी हो गया मिल. एंड एक अल्फाबेट हमने प्रीवियस वर्ड से चेंज किया, दैट इज के की जगह हमने क्या लिख दिया, L. Rest of the three are same, that is MIL, they are as it is same like the previous one. Next, the determination to do something. If you are determined, if you are to do something, आपको किसी चीज करने के लिए, कहते हैं ना हम लोग एकदम दृढ़ निश्चय कर लेना किसी चीज को करने के लिए. So if you want to, you are fully devoted to complete a task, to perform a task. So that means you are determined to do something. You are determined to do something. That means this is your will. WI will. Will mean आपके अंदर एक will power है, that is allowing you, even it is motivating you that you should complete the task, whatever aim you want to achieve. So for you need to complete that task. So here it is given the determination to do something. So that is your will to complete that particular task, or to achieve something, to achieve your objective, to achieve your aim. Okay, so if you're determined to do something, that means this is your will. Okay, this is your will. So the answer is third is will. WILL, that is your will. So as it is before, M changed into W. Rest of the three words are same, that is will. WILL, will. Moving next to the fourth one. The fourth is a boundary. Okay, so what we call a boundary. So that means there are limitations. No, here not we are talking about the limitations, the boundary of a house, the boundary of a ground. Okay, so boundary कैसे बनाते हैं? So we make boundary by building the walls. So the boundary, we build a boundary by walls. So there you must have heard about the boundary wall. ओके, सो बाउंड्री बनाते हैं किसी भी चीज की, एक हम कहते हैं ना सीमा तय करना, कि अगर ये स्कूल यहाँ तक फैला, सो दिस इज द बाउंड्री वॉल ऑफ द स्कूल, कि यहाँ तक स्कूल है, इसके बाद नेक्स्ट कुछ और शुरू हो जाता है. सो जस्ट लाइक दैट वी हैव बाउंड्री ऑफ आवर हाउसेज एज वेल. सो दिस एरिया इज बिलोंग्स टू अस. ओके, सो दिस इज द बाउंड्री वॉल. तो इस बाउंड्री वॉल के जितना भी अंदर एरिया है, दैट बिलोंग्स टू अस. सो दिस इज द टर्म दैट वी यूज फॉर बाउंड्री. ओके, सो हियर इट इज गिवन अ बाउंड्री. अ बाउंड्री इज नोन एज wall. A boundary of a house, that will be made with the help of the wall only. The boundary of everything is made with the wall only. Okay, so the boundary is wall. 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 So I changed this into A. I changed into A, and rest of the three alphabets are same. Okay, I changed into A. Next, moving to the fifth. The fifth is to go on foot. Okay, so if somebody is going on foot, so that means that person is walking. Okay, but here we need to change only one word. So wall को हम change करें to go on foot, so that means to walk. Okay, if somebody is going on foot, हम कहते हैं ना वो पैरों पे चल के गई, so पैरों पे गए, so that means they are walking. So they are walking. Okay, so to go on foot, that means to walk. So they are talking about the walk. So the answer for the fifth one is walk. WALK. That is walk. So again WAL, and this L is changed and it became K. That is walk. Okay. Moving next to the sixth one. The sixth is to communicate by speaking. If you are communicating right now, I am communicating with you all through this video, and I am doing the communication. I am doing the communication. मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ. Okay, we communicate during the online classes. So that means I am talking to you. So to communicate with someone, किसी से कोई बात करना, so that means you are talking to that person. So to communicate, okay, by speaking is known as talk. The communicate means to talk. So to talk to someone. So to communicate by speaking is talk. TALK, talk. TALK, talk. So देखिए W changed into T, and rest of the three words are same. That is talk. walk changed into talk. Okay, moving next to the seventh one. The seventh is not short. If something is not short, कोई चीज जो छोटी नहीं होगी, short नहीं होगी, तो क्या होगी? That will be tall. It's not. If it is not short, it will be tall. या तो वो लंबी होगी या तो छोटी होगी. Okay, to not short means tall. Not short means something is which is not short, that will be tall or long. हम इसके लिए long भी use कर सकते हैं, tall भी use कर सकते हैं. Which is not short, that will be long or tall. ओके, अब देखिए हमारे पास यहाँ पे टॉक है. अब यहाँ पे हम LONG लॉन्ग तो लिख नहीं सकते. ओके, सो टॉक विल चेंज इनटू टॉल. सो विच इज नॉट समथिंग दैट इज नॉट शॉर्ट, दैट विल बी टॉल. TALL. सो K चेंज्ड इनटू L. देखिए हम हर एक स्टेप पे, इन एवरी स्टेप वी आर जस्ट चेंजिंग द वन अल्फाबेट ओनली. ओके, सो एज यू कैन ऑब्जर्व वी आर जस्ट चेंजिंग द वन अल्फाबेट ओनली. Moving next to the eighth one. The eighth is to go down quickly. कुछ चीज जो जल्दी से नीचे चली जाए. Okay, I'm just throwing this chalk. So this is to go down quickly. वो तुरंत नीचे चला गया. So that means to fall. हम कहते हैं ना कुछ जल्दी से जाए तो मतलब भेजना is something else. So if you are throwing something, so that will go down very quickly at a very high speed. Okay, so to go down quickly means to fall. Okay, तो कोई भी चीज जब बहुत तेजी और से नीचे गिरती है उसको हम बोलते हैं fall. To go down quickly, that means to fall. FALL, fall. So to go down quickly is fall. FALL, that is fall. To go down quickly is fall. So now देखिए, this is tall, this is fall. T changed into F. T changed into F. 9. The ninth one is not succeeded. Okay, if someone has not succeed, अगर कोई succeed नहीं होता, अगर सफल नहीं होता, तो that means if someone is not succeeded, so that means that person got fail. अगर कोई सक्सीड नहीं, देखिए अदर दैट पर्सन विल बी सक्सेसफुल और आइदर दैट पर्सन विल बी फेल. तो सक्सेस एंड फेलियर दे बोथ आर ऑपोजिट टू ईच अदर. ओके, इफ सम पर्सन इज नॉट सक्सीडेड, अगर कोई सक्सीड नहीं हुआ, ओके, कोई ही वेंट फॉर, सपोज समवन वेंट फॉर सम टास्क एंड ही इज नॉट सक्सीडेड इन कंप्लीटिंग हिज टास्क, सो दैट मीन्स डेफिनेटली ही हैज फेल्ड. सो नॉट सक्सीड मीन्स fail. Not succeed means, that means अगर वो succeed नहीं हुआ, that means he got fail. So the ninth one is fail. FAIL, that is fail. So not succeed means he got fail. FAIL. So fall will change into fail. Here the L is changed into I. Moving next to the 10th one. The 10th is a silvery sheet to cover and keep food fresh. Okay, एक सिल्वर कलर की एक शीट जो कि हमें खाने को ढकने के लिए, कवर करने के लिए और खाने को रैप करने के लिए भी यूज इट. ओके, टू कीप द फूड फ्रेश इन फ्रेश कंडीशन. तो खाने को ढकने के लिए, खाने को रैप करने के लिए हम एक सिल्वर कलर की शीट यूज करते हैं. सो व्हाट वी कॉल इट फॉइल, सिल्वर फॉइल. ओके, जैसे कि फ्रेश रैप वगैरह होते हैं. ओके, सो वी कॉल इट सिल्वर फॉइल. Okay, so they have already mentioned silvery thing, a silvery sheet to cover and keep the food fresh. That is, that we use. So the silvery sheet that we use to wrap the food or to cover the food or to keep the food fresh, that is foil. So the answer for the 10th one is foil. FOIL, foil. FOIL, that is foil. Moving next to the 11th one. The 11th is to work hard. If someone is working very hard, okay, so he wants to complete his work. He's just working hard means कोई भी काम करने के लिए बहुत ही मेहनत करना. Okay, someone is doing so much hard work so that he can achieve something or achieve his aim. So to work hard means to toil. So work hard means to toil. Okay, तो work hard को हम other word में क्या बोलते हैं? That is known as toil. TOIL, toil. Okay, so to work hard means to toil. TOIL, toil. So to work hard means toil. TOIL, toil. Okay, moving next to 12th one. 12th is the money paid when crossing a bridge or a highway. Okay, so the money we paid while on the toll tax, so that is known as a toll. Okay, so देखिए जो हम पैसे जब भेज देते हैं जब हम कोई भी ब्रिज या हाईवे क्रॉस करते हैं, so we used to pay that money. Okay, so we are paying a tax. Okay, so we are paying a tax. So what is that tax called? That is known as toll tax. Okay, so the money paid when crossing a bridge or a highway. जब भी हम कोई हाईवे या कोई रिवर क्रॉस करते हैं through a bridge, okay, so we pay some amount. Okay, so that is for the maintenance. देखिए जो money हम देते हैं that is used for maintaining the highway, for maintaining that is used for maintaining that highway or for the maintenance of that highway or the bridge. Okay, so that money that we paid is known as toll. So the money paid when we cross a bridge or a highway, that is known as toll. TOLL, toll. TOLL, toll. So the money paid to when crossing a bridge or a highway is known as toll. TOLL, toll. Moving next to the 13th one. The 13th is to let someone know. किसी को कुछ बताना. Okay, if we say something to, so we tell them. Okay, हम किसी को कुछ बताते हैं कि उसको समझाते हैं, बताते हैं, so that means we are telling them. Okay, to let someone know, that means we are telling them. So that means to let someone we are telling them, so we can't use telling. Okay, so here we are changing told. Sorry, I just forgot to tell about A changed into O, here F changed into T. Okay, I changed into L, sorry. Okay, to let someone know, that means we will tell that person. So told will change into tell. So E will change at the place of O, TELL, tell. To tell something to someone. किसी को कुछ बताना, that means to tell. Moving next to the 14th one. That which chimes usually found in church or a temple. ऐसी चीज जो ज्यादातर chimes मतलब जिसकी जो घंटी की आवाज होती है, उनकी chiming sound that produces, and ये ज्यादातर टेम्पल में, मंदिर में या चर्च में यूज की जाती है. This is mostly used in church and a temple. So what is it? It is we are talking about a bell. Okay, so when we go to the temple, so we use this chiming thing that chimes. That we use these things that chimes. That is known as bell. हम घंटी बजाते हैं. That is known as bell. So that which chimes usually found in a church or a temple, that is known as bell. BELL, bell. BELL, that is bell. Moving next to the 15th one. Okay, a piece of leather or fabric that you wear around your waist. Okay, so now we are talking about a piece of leather. अब हम एक लेदर के पीस की बात करें, that we wear around our waist, जो कि हम अपनी कमर के पास पहनते हैं. Okay, and we wear this piece or this leather or the fabric around our waist with our usually with our pants, and the girls used to wear with the varied dresses as well. Okay, a piece of leather or fabric that you wear around your waist, that is known as belt. That is known as belt. BELT, that is belt. Okay, that is belt. Clear? चलिए, So this is how we have moved from milk to bell. So देखिए at every step we are just changing one alphabet at every step. Okay, nothing else. So first one was milk. Milk changed into mill. Then mill to will to wall, wall to walk, walk to talk, talk to tall, tall to fall, fall to fail, fail to foil, foil to toil, toil to toll, toll to tell, tell to bell, bell to belt. Okay, so this is how we have moved from milk to belt. And now we have achieved our word ladder as well. The objective of our word ladder from moving them from word milk to belt. Okay, so with this we have completed page number 38. So still we are having some more time left. So we can do one more topic. Okay, so everybody kindly open your books at page number 53. That is the next topic from unit number 5. Okay, that is classics and popular. So this is the next topic from the unit number 5, that is classics and popular. Page number is 53. Okay, page is 53, that is classics and popular. Classics and popular. This is the topic here. Okay, now in this topic here they have given some questions about their some famous authors and their creations. ओके, तो उन्होंने यहाँ पे कुछ बुक्स के नाम दिए हुए हैं जिसके कि हमें ऑथर्स के नेम बताने हैं और कुछ ऑथर्स के नेम दिए हुए हैं. ओके, एंड वी हैव टू टेल द नेम ऑफ देयर बुक्स. So they have given certain clues about each and every, they have given certain clues in each and every sentence. So we need to find the name of the authors and we need to find the name of the book. Okay, so let's begin with it. Okay, first is, for which book did Jhumpa Lahiri win the Pulitzer Prize in the year 2000? So सन 2000 में जुम्पा लहरी को अपनी कौन सी बुक के लिए पुलिटिजर प्राइज मिला था. सो पुलिटिजर प्राइज इज वन ऑफ द greatest prize that is given in the field of writing. Okay, so for which book did Jhumpa Lahiri win the Pulitzer Prize in the year 2000? So Jhumpa Lahiri won the Pulitzer Prize in the year 2000 for her book that is known as Interpreter of Maladies. So this is the name of the book written by Jhumpa Lahiri, for which she has won Pulitzer Prize in year 2000. Okay, so the name of the book is Interpreter of Maladies. So write down the answer for the first one, that is Interpreter of Maladies. That is Interpreter of Maladies. Okay, so this is one of the famous books of Jhumpa Lahiri. Okay, that is Interpreter of Maladies. Okay, so let me just check. So whether it is interpreter, it is interpreter. Okay, so this is interpreter only. Okay, this is Interpreter of Maladies. Chaliye. Moving next to the second one. The second famous book that's given here is, which popular girl detective solves mysteries with the help of her friends Bess Marvin and George Fane? Okay, so here we are talking about a story in which, so in this, the girl she is a detective. The main character of this book is a detective. She is a girl and she is a detective and she solves various mysterious. So वो बहुत सारे mysterious cases को solve करती है, being a detective. And the name of her friends is Bess Marvin and George Fane. So these are the names of her friends. So what is the name of that girl? So which popular girl detective? So we need to write down, we need to tell the name of the popular character of that girl who is working as a detective in that book. So her name is Nancy Drew. So her name is Nancy Drew. Nancy Drew, Nancy. Nancy Drew, she was the main character of the book in which she plays the role of a She played a role of a detective. Moving next to the third one. Who is the author of the popular series The Lord of the Rings? Okay, so एक book है, you must have heard about it. The movies there, movies also there. The Lord of the Rings. Okay, so who is the author of the book The Lord of the Rings? So the author of the book The Lord of the Rings is J.R.R. Tolkien. So J.R.R. Tolkien is the author of the book The Lord of the Rings. So the answer for the third one is J.R.R. Tolkien. K-E-I-N. J.R.R. Tolkien. T-O-L-K-I-E-N. K-E-I-N-E. K-I-E-N. K-I-E-N. Tolkien. Clear? Moving next to the fourth one. The fourth is who wrote the Booker Prize winning novel The God of Small Things? Okay, so now the next book we are talking about, the name of the book is The God of Small Things. So who is the author of this book, The God of Small Things? And this book has also won Booker Prize. Okay, not book, it's a novel. Okay, so this novel, The God of Small Things, has also won the Booker Prize. So who is the author of this novel, The God of Small Things? So the author is Arundhati Roy. So the author of The God of Small Things is Arundhati Roy. Okay, so the answer is fourth one is Arundhati, A-R-U-N-D-H-A-T-I, that is Arundhati Roy. R-O-Y, that is Arundhati Roy. Moving next to the fifth one. Who is the author of the famous book The Girl with the Dragon Tattoo? Okay, so the author of the book The Girl with the Dragon Tattoo is Stieg Larsson. Okay, so the author of the book The Girl with the Dragon Tattoo is Stieg Larsson. So answer of the fifth one is S-T-I-E-G, Stieg Larsson. L-A-R-S-S-O-N, that is Stieg Larsson. Moving next to the sixth one. The sixth is who wrote the book A House for Mr. Biswas? Okay, so this is the name of the book. Okay, A House for Mr. Biswas. Okay, so the writer of the book is V.S. Naipaul. So author of the book is V.S. Naipaul. That is the answer of the sixth one. That is V.S. N-A-I-P-A-U-L. P-A-U-L. V.S. Naipaul is the author of the book A House for Mr. Biswas. So these are the answers from 1 to 6. The first is Interpreter of Maladai. So this book won is written by Jhumpa Lahiri, and this book has also won the Pulitzer Prize in the year 2000. Second is Nancy Drew. She is a character, the main character in a book in a novel, okay, in which she played a role of a detective, and she used to solve the mysterious cases along with her two friends. Second is J.R.R. Tolkien. Okay, so the book The Lord of Rings, the author of The Lord of Rings is J.R.R. Tolkien. Third, the author of the novel The God of Small Things is Arundhati Roy. Fifth, the author of the book The Girl with the Dragon Tattoo is Stieg Larsson. Whereas the sixth is V.S. Naipaul. He is the author of the book A House for Mr. Biswas. Chaliye. Moving next to the last one. The last blank is, which book by Marcus Zukas is set in Germany during the World War II and is about Liesel Manager, a girl who steals books and shares them with her neighbors. Okay, so this book is written by, okay, so ये देखिए जो जिस book की हम बात कर रहे हैं, ये the author of the book is Marcus Zukas. In this story is about it's set in Germany. तो ये Germany की एक story है that during the Second World War, a girl, she was living somewhere and she used to steal book. Okay, वो books चुराती थी और पढ़ती थी. मतलब she was a thief of books, and she used to steal the books and read it, and even she provide that books to her neighbor as well. She shared those books with her neighbor as well. So what is the name of that book? So the name of that book is The Book Thief. The name of the book is The Book Thief. The Book Thief. 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 Okay, so this was the last one. Okay. So with this, I'm just ending the today's session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a great day.